how to use the dishwasher. First of all, open this drawer and keep one of the tabs you find here. To open the dishwasher, you have to press this here till you hear this sound and it opens automatically. You come here and you put the tab in the placement here. Then you have to press the lighting button, which is this one, and then you have to set the mode on eco. You can change the mode if it's not eco already set with this little button this way to finish on eco mode. Then simply like that, just close the door and it starts automatically.